Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas ornament using a juice can lid and an old sock. So let's get started. To make these ornaments I use the lid from frozen juice, or you could just use a regular lid from any soup can, or you could just use the lid from a small soup can. And I'm going to paint it a flesh color. And so I have my lid painted, and I painted it with 2 coats of paint. And I have an old sock here. I just turned it inside out. So I'm going to cut this to use it for a beard, and I'm going to use this top part as the hat. So I'm going to cut strips for the beard. Like that. Cut the loops open on the bottom. Like that. I'm going to glue that here. I think that's too long. So I'm going to trim the beard somewhat. And then I'm just going to pull and stretch these down. Like that. And I'm going to glue that right there. Now I'm going to pull these little sections that I have left. I'm going to use those for the mustache and some extra pieces for the beard. I'll glue those there. I have a bead that I'm going to glue here for the nose. Like that. Now I'm just going to cut a section off for the hat. So I'm going to slide the head into the sock, and I'll turn this up a little bit like that, and I'm going to glue that down. Turn it over, bring this all the way down in the back, like that. And I'm going to take one of my little pieces that I have left over, and I'm going to tie the hat in a little bundle. Like that. And I have these few smaller pieces that I have left. I'm going to put those on the side here as though it's hair that's sticking out from under his cap. Like that. And I have a little piece of greenery, and I'm going to glue that right here on the side of his hat. So I have a few little berries that I've taken off of one of my garlands, and I'll put that right there. And with a black permanent marker, I'm going to add some eyes. So I'll put his eyes right here. Like that. Some little eyelashes, and with a toothpick and some white craft paint, I'm going to add one little dot of white in his eyes. And then I will take a little piece of ribbon, tie a knot, open up this top part of the hat, and glue that in there. And there you'll have a very cute Christmas ornament. You could add some glitter to his beard. I like him just like that. He has a cute little homespun look. So there you go. There's an easy Christmas ornament that you can make. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.